Hello, this is Steve Dvorak with Veritas Seed Data. The short little video is meant to point out a couple things that you get from us that you'll never find anywhere else. So with that, we'll get right to it. You go to the website, and this is the home page. I wanted to point out that at the bottom there are some other videos that go into greater detail than what I'm going to do here. If you go to the tool number one, once you subscribe, this is what it looks like. I've already pre-populated it with the information that you're asked to input in determining where the data is pulled from. Here in this particular case, I looked at all of South Dakota hybrids between 95 and 97 from a select list of brands. So that's where the data comes from. I use it to populate the output. The output looks like this on the screen. You have the ability to save the results to an Excel file, and that's what this looks like. Here is the output saved to Excel. And the first thing I want to point out that you get from us that you don't get anywhere else is the answer to your question. Yeah, I know this is a good hybrid, but is it worth what I'm asked to pay for it? So we calculate bag values. Economics is so important, especially in today's environment. So we tell you what a hybrid really is worth for you based on your parameters that you enter in. In this case, we're assuming that the average hybrid is worth $235. And if that's the case, then this hybrid's worth $265. And that means you can put another $30 a bag in your pocket, theoretically, after harvest. Now, the question is, yeah, I know it's a good hybrid, but is it worth what I'm asked to pay for it? If you're asked to pay $300, then it's not worth what you're being asked to pay for, and it's not a good deal. And I want a good deal. I don't want to pay what something is worth. I want to get a good deal and get more than what I pay for. So consequently, if you go down here and you can get a fire sale on one of these poorer performing hybrids, it may actually represent the best deal of all of them. So these kind of things you get from Veritas Seed Data you can't get anywhere else. The other thing that you get from us is control. You decide where the data is coming from, what geography, what years, what brands, what yield levels. You can slice and dice it. You have control, and you can't get that anywhere else. When I was a seed agronomist, I generated wide area, all years, all geographies, head-to-head comparisons, and they look like this. Here's two hybrids highlighted above, head-to-head, all locations within the state of South Dakota, all years. And on average, they're not much different. They're within $12 of each other. But if you actually split the data up and looked at just the western half of the state, the LG hybrid is outperforming the cropland number by $60 a bag. But if you look at the eastern half of the state, it reverses completely. And now the cropland number is $75 a bag of more value than the LG number. So with control that you get in playing with these tools, you can tease out these hybrid behaviors and truly understand where they fit and how they respond to different things like yield level, location, planting rate, and so on. So that's what you get from us that you don't get anywhere else. Bag values and control. So thanks for your time. We'll talk to you soon.